freelancing is a scam. There I said it. At least that's how it feels when you're stuck earning 5,000 rupees a month, doing all the work, getting ghosted by clients, and refreshing Upwork every 2 minutes like it's Tinder. It's not the dream they sold you on Instagram, right? But here's the thing, freelancing isn't the scam. The way most people do it is. Let me show you how to flip the script and actually make it work without burning out or begging for work every week. So hey, I'm Ankit. I talk about freelancing, making money online, sales techniques, and building a business online based on stuff that I've actually done, not just watch in a $99 course. Today's video is real talk because you're stuck in that cycle of inconsistent income, bad client, and wondering, am I even good at this? You are not alone. This video might change how you see freelancing forever. Let's rewind to when most of us started. We saw a reel or a YouTube video saying, I made $10K a month freelancing online. All I do is work from cafe and reply to emails. You can too. And we are like, sign me up. We buy a course, learn a skill, video editing, design, copywriting. Then we post one thing on Instagram, like now open for work. And nothing happens. Just your friends liking the post and your cousin asking, bro, can you make my wedding video? Fuck you. That's the first punch in the face. Freelancing isn't passive. It's a full-time business that you have to build. Now let's get real. Most freelancers fail, not because they suck, but they treat freelancing like a job without a boss. No one tells you, you have to learn sales, even you are introverted. You will deal with late payment and ghosting. You are competing with people who are charging $5 per hour from 50 countries. And yes, some month will feel like you're doing everything right and still going backwards. And you start thinking, do I need to niche down? Should I offer a discount? Or is this even worth it? That's when people quit. They call it a scam, say freelancing stayed, and go back applying for jobs. But freelancing does work, just not how you're taught. Let me break down why your freelancing strategies might be broken. Posting your work and waiting. We have all done it. Posted a reel with our edit with a caption like client work and waited for the DMs to explode. Spoiler, they won't. Because people don't hire based on how good your work is. They hired based on how much value they see. Relying on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you're competing with hundreds of people who are cheaper than you, faster than you, more reviewed than you. You can still win there, but only if you treat it like a funnel, not a lottery ticket. Saying I'm a freelancer instead of solving a problem. Let's say you're a video editor. Cool. But what if instead you say, I help real estate agents turn listing into viral IG reels that generate buyers leads? Which one sounds more valuable? Exactly. So, if freelancing traditional way doesn't work, then what actually does? Here's the playbook I wish someone gave me when I started. Pick a specific niche and own a problem. Forget being a general video editor and say this instead. I help coaches create content that generates lead through YouTube and short form. See what changed? You stopped selling editing and started selling a result. Because business owners, they don't care about your timeline animation. They care about getting more leads, saving times, looking professional. And you need to speak their language. Build a simple offer. Your offer should be so clear, it feels like no-brainer. I offer video editing service, DM to discuss pricing. Bad offer. 3 high converting reels per week, plus 1 YouTube video, plus thumbnails and strategy for $500 a month. Good offer. Clear, outcome based, no fluff. If they're your target audience, they'll instantly get it. Forget spamming DMs with hi sir. Do target outreach like this. Find people who are already creating content. Coaches, creators, agency owners, people already investing time in videos. Personalize your DM like hi their name. Hi Ryan, saw your latest reel. Love the message. I help creators like you turn one video into 10 plus content pieces that grow your brand. Want me to show you how I would do it for you? Give value first. Offer a free audit or a sample clip. Show you have done the work. This works better than sending 100 generic messages. I have literally gotten a 50% response rate doing this. Making freelancing actually work for you. Here's where we flip the script. Freelancing isn't just a way to make money. It's your entry point to learning business. You learn how to market. You learn sales, communication, client management. You start to think like an entrepreneur, not just a creative. And that mindset shift, that's what separates the 10,000 rupees per month editors from the 2 lakh rupees per month creators with a waiting list. Because once you master freelancing as a system, you can scale it, turn it into an agency, a product, or even a passive income. That's when freelancing stops feeling like a scam and start feeling like the freedom it was supposed to be. So yeah, freelancing can feel like a scam, especially when you're hustling hard, doing everything right, and still barely surviving. But the truth is, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, with a clear system, a real offer, and a business mindset. If you found this video helpful, I have got more deep dives coming on how to turn your freelancing into a real business. DM me if you want to grow your brand and get high paying clients through video content. And hey, if you know one freelancer who's stuck, overwhelmed, and thinking of quitting, share this video with them. Could be exactly what they need to hear right now. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself. I haven't slept tonight. It's 5:42 a.m. and I'm recording this video, then I have to edit. No, I'm not gonna edit right now. I'm gonna sleep and then I'm gonna edit. So till then, take care of yourself, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Okay? Yeah. Just don't quit. Just don't give up. Do whatever it takes. Be successful. Take your parents to the vacation and live your life to the full. Okay? Bye bye. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Promise.